There's Nathan, he's in second. They're not racing, they're just doing a jog, but he's really liking long distance. That's what he keeps choosing over everything else. Wonder where he gets that from. I don't know if you can see him or not. I can't really see. Ow. There he is, second place. Someone's coming up on third. Looking good, buddy. How you liking it? Yeah? Go get some water, okay? Funny he picked that shirt to wear today.